Story short, I got word that there was essentially a non-human primate research facility or like operation that was going on that was funded by a company. However, some of the laws, rules, and regulations changed, and from that, the funding got cut. So there were a lot of non-human primates, whether it was great apes, like there were chimps, macaques, lots of other just monkeys in general. Whatever you think of, it was probably there. That had been having research done on them, so they had different diseases, had all these different types of things, but their funding got cut. So with that being said, they didn't have the food, they didn't have the staff to be able to keep up with their proper maintenance and things of that nature. So there's a whole initiative right now to try and figure out how to actually improve the welfare of these animals and potentially relocate them to an island. So when I got word of this, I was like, I absolutely have to go. I need to do this. Just because the story I feel like is very touching, as well as I feel like it's a very marketable story to be able to have these great apes that have contributed a lot to society to be able to actually live out the rest of their lives in some sort of peace or even just like properly. So one of the big things that actually got proposed was to be able to move these, specifically the chimpanzees, to their own island where they weren't going to have any predators there.